Mike Einspar, and this is my introductory video for EDL 854 School Finance. Who am I? I am currently the head football coach and head girls basketball coach at West Franklin High School in Pomona, Kansas. I'm also a special education teacher here in the high school. Am married. I have 3 children, um, Bailey, Sage, and Margaret. The oldest is 13, 10, and then 5. I also am an assistant track coach here. I have been in education since 1995. I have coached at several different levels, both at college and high school, and have taught not only in the state of Kansas, but also in the state of Florida. I'm seeking this degree. I'm really a non-degree seeking student because I already have a master's in curriculum instruction, and Fort Hays allows me to take this path. I feel like it is time for me to step up and be a principal. I have been a head coach in several sports, and I want the challenge of trying to build a staff in a school much the same way you do a successful athletic program. What are my strengths and weaknesses regarding school finance? I have worked with school finance on a small scale, really through an athletic department, through fundraising, being accountable for money, budgets, both as a single team as an athletic department, taking tickets, making sure that you sign in and out for money received from the bookkeeper, that you know where your tickets are at. Make sure you sign out when you give the money back and you're accountable for the tickets that were sold and the money that was sold. I have done quite extensive, work with purchase orders, both with, P cards, checks, district funds, state funds. Probably my weaknesses is I have not dealt with a budget from a school standpoint or a district standpoint, knowing capital outlay, the different line items between where money can be spent, what it can be spent for, what money can't be spent for, what is replaceable money coming in from the taxes, what is one-time money, and so forth. So those are really probably my weaknesses. Other information that you need to know from me. I spend most of my life coaching or running my kids to volleyball and basketball games. We do like to boat, and we are kind of water people. So that is my introduction, and thank you very much.